So I'm Pratik Pandey. I'm studying law from the School of Law, NMIMS Mumbai. And right now I'm in my fifth year, and my interest areas are media and entertainment law. And I have taken that as a specialization for that this year. And like I have been interested in law since like when I was in class 10. And law is something which uh, always is interesting for me. So yeah, so I always wanted to stay in Mumbai and do something in Mumbai only, and to stay in Mumbai, and Mumbai is a biggest place for especially for media entertainment law. So that's why that was one of the reason I decided to do media and entertainment law. And then I came across this law seeker thing where it was they were providing a diploma in IPR media entertainment law. So that's how I landed up in Los Eco, and it was a great journey till now. So my main objective behind that, yeah, I already told ki I'm very much interested in media and entertainment law. And apart from media and entertainment law, I love IPR also. Like trademark and copyright are like one of are like my favorite things in IPR. So that's how I landed up. I am, and I was finding courses like I was in my fourth year starting, so I wanted to study about IPR. Like we didn't have IPR subject at that time, like in our course module. So I wanted to study, and then I ended up finding it in on website, Losicoca website, and there I saw this, and this they were providing pretty much better things from other websites like study materials and video session and as well as internship opportunities. So that was bit of it. That's why I came, and I the main objective was this, that so that I get internships also, I get subject matter also, everything from same portal. I've learned many important things such as like before this I didn't know ki, what broader part of IPR I am missing. So after this I got to know about a lot of things about OTT platform such as Netflix, Amazon, and after that I also studied about trademarks. Like I knew what is trademark, but I didn't know exactly what trademark is. So now I have better idea. Like they have given us one exercise also for trademark search and classification, which was very helpful. So I did that, and like we have got ample of exercises such as for drafting things. So now I know basics of drafting regarding IPR and media entertainment law thing. So I think so that's pretty much it. So what happened was I was writing. I got an assignment related to unconventional trademarks. So regarding that, I wrote that unconventional trademark research paper for this Lossy Hoga submission. Then after that, I also sent it to some like for my college project, as well as I also sent that research paper for my internship thing. Like when we apply for internship, we have to send our like articles and all. So I sent that, and people really like that. So yeah, like the article thing which like I'm also working on two of my other articles so that I can publish it from Losico only. Like I have got an assignment from Losico, so I'm working on that. So I hope as soon as that all those articles will be completed, I will be posting them, or I will be sending them. So yeah, it really helped me. It really helped me in getting internship, and or at least sending my applications for different types of internships, and like in my college project thing, everywhere it helped. Yeah. I haven't attended a live session exactly because I was in my like that was very busy year of my college, so I couldn't attend. But yeah, after like all those live sessions are recorded in some place in our portal. So I saw like most of them while doing my exercises. So they were really helpful. Like all those teachers who were taking the live classes, they were really helpful. They were really helpful, like when they were telling us about basics of agreements, basics like how can we draft our agreement so that it becomes more strong and like better. So yeah, it really helped, but I didn't attain the special like classes, but yeah, I have seen those live recordings after classes. I use the facility of WhatsApp, so I texted related teachers regarding my doubts, like whatever doubts I had regarding submission, regarding word limit, regarding the subject matter of the exercises, and and all of them were really helpful. Like I got quick response from faculties regarding any doubt, whatever I had. So yeah, I've got 100% support from the Losico websites and faculties. So, like I have already recommended it to like four or five people, and all of them joined it, and they are really liking it. So, like basically, I would recommend this course to all those people who want to do something in media law, who want to do something in entertainment law separately. Like if they want to do it, they should do this media entertainment law simultaneously, so that they will get to know the exact idea about what is media and what is entertainment law. And now as we like this coronavirus situation, everyone is like now more into digital thing. So as like everybody is interested into OTT thing, like Amazon Prime and Netflix is like very common nowadays. So I will suggest all those people who really wanted to make their career, or who are really finding something new for their law career, I would recommend them to enroll for this media and entertainment law, or diploma in media entertainment law, as well as IPR, because it's a growing field and it's something new. Like it's not completely corporate, where you have to deal with mergers and acquisitions and like many more things, like which I really find difficult. And it's really not like something monotonous thing, something like constitutional, which I find little monotonous, like constitutional law practice or something criminal or civil matters. So it's something very new, something very interesting. So I will recommend this to all those people who are finding something new in the law field, all those people who are into media and entertainment, who want to do something in media entertainment or IPR thing. Yeah, so basically, and also to people who are into corporate, but they also want to do something additional other than corporate. So I will suggest them to do this thing, diploma in IPR, media and entertainment law. Yeah, I would love to say that like this was one of the best online course I've ever had, and like all faculties were like very much responsible, and they were helpful, as well as Priyanka ma'am was really helpful at times. Whenever I needed, I just texted her and she was always responsive enough, and she used to respond very quickly. And that's a great thing when you know, when you are stuck somewhere and when you need help, and Losico people are ready to provide you help. That's the best thing about, like I've been into other courses, but I have never got such support as I have got in this Losico thing. Second best thing about this is the material they provide, like samples and templates which we get from our portal regarding our agreements, and which we will be doing in our practical life. So all of them were really very helpful, and they are going to help us in our future endeavors. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm really glad that I joined this course.